Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama.
Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow. Yeah. See, I've been going through phases, yeah. How your boys liking me lately, yeah. I'm at the crib with your lady, yeah. Yes, I just got off vacation, yeah. Wish I didn't let these boys make it, nah. Wish I didn't let these boys make it, nah. Now I'm just losing my patience, yeah. Wait till they calling me big dog. Wait till I'm popping off Crystal. I've been popping, she bopping, I skirt off. When that money right, I'ma take off. Long nights gonna pay off. Take flight, fuck a day job. Tastes right when it's all yours. And my aim tight, y'all don't want war. Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow.
So I'm finna go ahead and pull Mr. Tropicana out. Cruise her for a few days. She been needing to be driven. I took the tire off the back of this one because it was flat on that side. Let me see. That one good. The passenger one needed some air. I still haven't figured out. The other day I believe it was just from riding, and as everyone knows, those two strokes, they're known to well, just bikes in general. They're known to release a little bit of gas. Let me see. I moved it over to C. All right. So don't like there's not much dripping, but we're gonna keep that there still. So I'm finna go ahead and I got a bunch of stuff in the truck that I need to unload. Let me see. They gave me a bunch of wraps to just practice with. A lot of they scrap. So I can see they're gonna tie it to the Banshee. So I got plenty of rolls to practice with right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all that out of here. And I got the AC delete over there in the front. So that's what we'll be doing on this video, man. Just getting back from Vegas. Man, had a great time. I love the city of Vegas. I really do. It was a cool little vibe. But being I'm finna take Mrs. Tropicana, take her out, I'm gonna need to go ahead and transfer some of the stuff over. So I'm finna go ahead and I'm gonna throw y'all on a time lapse, but I'm gonna show y'all the place where I'm gonna put the AC box at, and then I'll show y'all why I'm not going with the original AC box, because it just don't make sense to put money into an old AC box that may never work for a car that wasn't designed to have an AC, when I could just go with the vintage air, less headache, and it seemed like it's gonna be a lot easier for me to go that route. But man, this car got a long way to go. It's a little at a time, but I'm getting my skills up. Never done a job that requires so much attention, but when I get done with this car, it's gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. I found all the bolts in my storage. While I bagged and tagged everything, when I put everything out of storage, I found it the other day. I would like to clean those bolts up a little bit, and I'd be on some, if I'm gonna do it, go ahead and get it done right then and there type stuff. But for the most part, I'm always back and forth. My main concern with the whole AC thing was the windshield wipers, because as you can see, the cowl, how it's split, is not all the way across. And we wanted to put the AC in before we finish putting the final fitment of the motor and everything in. So I do have the box here. If I change my mind later, I can go that route still. These parts are still here. And as you can see, that one's right there. That's the one that I would use. But with so many different levers and flaps and things of that nature on the original AC box, on the original box, they give us an AC box, but that's what this would be. But this one only came with a blower. As you can see, it's just a blower on there. That was it, because this car was sent to somewhere where it didn't need AC. Damn sure didn't stay here in Texas. It was built here in Texas in Arlington. That's interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna take that, and I'm just gonna hold on to it till this car is done. And if I have to pull out the motor and go backwards, I will, but most likely I'll just be moving forward and going with the vintage air, just doing all new. It just makes sense. So yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and throw y'all a time lapse. I'm trying to get everything together on this car. As you can see, still got the fender flares right there, the water pump. I'm trying to hold on to the water pumps and brackets and everything. Even though I already have a new water pump. Only thing I don't have right now that I need is a starter. To get a new starter, I'm gonna get the new starter, and of course the alternator, and then the it has the power steering pump in there still, but that needs to be replaced as well. But I may just go ahead and just start this car with that starter that's in there. I don't want to risk with the power steering pump. You know, I don't want to risk with that. So I'm gonna say alternator, power steering pump, and that'll be all I need for the front, because I have the other ones, the alternator, and I may need to put a different set of brackets on there, pulleys, not sure. This is not gonna be just where I want the car to be at, but it's moving in that direction. I definitely need to sand this down and get ready to paint it, because I hit a lot of it with the black gloss, and then I put the fender flares on there. There's gonna be black gloss, so we'll start looking really nice and clean under here. It's coming in, it's coming along. Still got a long ways to go, but y'all gotta stay tuned to see the progress on this one. Yes, sir. So you see right there, 100 degrees plus, man. And it ain't no wind blowing through here. Ain't no wind circulating in here, man. For sure, this is hot, man. This ain't nothing that, you know, hey, this is a true man's cave. Just put it like that. So I was pulling those wraps out. My phone keep on going dead, man. It's so hot. It's going into emergency mode. I just want to, I really like this color. That's the color I'm thinking about putting on Mr. Tropicana. I really like it. Some candy. He even gave me some chrome, the red chrome. I got some red chrome in here somewhere, I believe. It's some beautiful colors, man. These wraps have some really nice colors to it. So, yeah, he gave me some decent little stuff, man. Just to practice. Oh, there go that red chrome. Just to practice. Just a small piece. Hey, I think that's all pretty cool, man. You know what I mean? Gonna put it to use, man, for sure. I'll probably eventually hang that, not sure. But yeah, man, here go that piece. Here go that piece. I'm gonna try to put it on there. I'm not tripping about the scratches. I know I just scratched the trunk just a little bit. But this trunk ain't even been worked yet. It ain't been blocked down, none of that. So all that's gonna come out when I block it and do the guide coat. But piece is pretty solid. It's pretty good. Got this piece off what was that, eBay? I think I found it for about 30 bucks. Of course they had something nicer at Summit. But the one that was nicer at Summit was probably like $60, probably like twice the price. And something like that just didn't make sense to a person like me to give them more or something that don't really. I mean, some people beg to differ, but me, I'm just looking at like, why do you need to spend so much money on such a small part that it's gonna work one way or another? I'm trying to see which way this thing goes. Just looking at it, it looked like it go more like this way right here. So there we go. That's a lot nicer right there. Probably got to push those two little caps in. So yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and throw y'all a time lapse and I'm finna get to it, man. The small things, man, these small little things that's gonna add up. Everybody I'm seeing that's restoring these cars is this one thing after another. But when you're doing quality work, it seems like between buying expensive ass parts and just taking your time, you know what I mean? Taking your time, making sure that you're not wasting no money, because this shit can get really expensive really quick. So I'm looking for my rubber mallet. I'm gonna find it real quick because I think I need to just tap those two. It's like two little pieces right there. Like they've been pushed through. I may be able to just push them down with a screwdriver and tap them through. That looks like what I need to do. So let me find that, and then yeah, man, when I get down installing it, if my phone's not acting crazy, I'm gonna show y'all how it turned out. Take a couple pictures for y'all and everything, and we'll go from there. So that's it right there. All you need is a quarter drive. This is a 10mm socket. If you know Harbor Freight, it's the blue one. It's the 10 one. That's the cheap one. But yeah, man, it's on there. And being that this is gonna be up under the engine bay, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be cool. I think that's gonna be good enough right there. And luckily I was able to find all the screws that was needed. You know what I mean? So boom, there it is. It's in there. Factory setting. AC delete, man. I mean, you know, some people say eBay could be a hit and miss. This right here was a hit. This was definitely a good one. I'm gonna try to see if I can upload the link. It'll be in the link below. It'll be in the description if I can. Figure out how to leave the link below. A lot of people was asking about the Banshee, about the seat. I believe it was on TikTok or some different other platform, but we bought this seat off of eBay, and I may go back and add that to the video later. Later on, I might upload that to that video about the Banshee. So yeah, if you never tuned into the channel, man, what I'm doing is working on this 86 MonteCarlo, and we just finished the Banshee. I'm going straight into the MonteCarlo. Just took a little vacation. All I was thinking the whole time I was in Vegas, man, like, shit, I need transmission for this MonteCarlo. I need to get the lights cut on. So we still haven't got the lights cut on over here at the shop, but it's coming. It's a process. It's not like I'm a rich man, and this YouTube shit ain't paying no bills. You know what I mean? All this shit that I'm doing is off of the hustle, off the muscle, wherever you want to say, however you want to say it. I'm getting it how I live, cutting hair and rapping cars is it, man. You know, I ain't even made no money off of rapping cars. I done spent a lot of money on going and getting an education. I'm about to take another class. Justin Pate is one of the best rappers in the United States, well, global. And I found one of his classes that he hosts in Dallas. I'm gonna go take that in October. So y'all will be able to see me elevate as a body shop owner, because I would like to be able to paint as well as do wraps. But the painting requires so much footwork that I'd rather just go ahead and wrap a person's car. I'm not saying that paint or wrap is better. Both of them have their pros and cons to them.
How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next.